oil just went away. It continued to be a problem. The battle outside of Venice rages.
This Queen of Wands represents you, a woman with a desire to be with her man. Second card, this is the card that is crossing the Queen of Wands.
It's from AT&T. I'm on the nation's fastest 3G network. So that proposal delivered.
The nation's fastest 3G network. Another
Page of Cups.
many smartphone users have chosen.
The Page of Cups. The Page of Cups could represent a message, like a love letter, or a messenger bringing tidings of love or bringing news of love. It could also mean an announcement of a child, or it could actually represent a child. The Page of Cups in this case is going to be the force that is opposing you. Now we will reveal our third card. This is the card that represents the visible or obvious point of the question. The Seven of Wands reversed. The part of the question that is most apparent is confusion, feeling vulnerable and defenseless. The fourth card is the card that is underneath the question. This is the hidden or unconscious, subconscious part of the question. This is the hardest part of the question to discover for the person asking the question.
I want to protect the people I love and what I've worked hard for.
Page of Pentacles. This represents a youthful person, scholarly and willing to work hard, an apprentice with new ideas. It could be that that both pages represent the same person. If the Page of Cups was the man in your life, then this card would also be that same person. The fifth card represents past influences. Four of Swords reversed. The fifth card, the past influences. Four of Swords reversed. Chaos and disharmony. The sixth card is the future influences. The Hermit. The Hermit. Great wisdom, vision, and counsel, selflessly given to all who seek the light of his experience. The seventh card is where you find yourself now. The Nine of Pentacles. Strength, readiness to meet the opposition boldly, a victory after a struggle. What we see with the Nine of Coins is much more favorable to you than the Seven of Swords was with the previous reading we had for this question. The eighth card is the point of view of others, the opinions of others. The Hanged Man reversed. The Hanged Man reversed. One bound by convention or faithless. The ninth card represents your hopes and your fears. The Fool. So the Fool, as your hopes and fears, you have a hope for a brighter tomorrow, a better future. You are hoping that you will see your boyfriend because he will come traveling to you, because the Fool does represent the beginning of a journey. The final card, the 10th card, is the ending card. This will give you an answer to your question. The Chariot. The answer to your question is a triumphant victory over life's opposing forces. With difficulties resolved, balance is restored. The Chariot represents power and control over the two opposing forces that pull the chariot forward, are the polarities in the spread. The length of time that this is valid is going to be until the end of the summer,